Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix sorry we are having trouble signing you in right now. Please try again later. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search Cloud Flare Warp. You just need to select this one.com website and select this Windows option, and it's downloading. Wait for it. After getting download done, you just need to install it. Click on it. Select the next option, select the install option, select the S option. After getting installed done, select the finish option. And now you just need to select this next option, select accept. And now you just need to turn on this VPN. After getting your network is private, you can sign in to the right games without having any problem. After you are signed in, you just need to come back to system tray, click on this VPN, and you just need to turn it off. After turning off, you can play the games without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.